So I think exercise is a really important component of maintaining healthy joint. And when you have arthritis, which is inflammation in the joint itself, and it affects the cartilage, it can really be debilitating. And so one of the things that I talk a lot about is what are the benefits of exercise? We all know that in general, it's good for your mental health, it's good for your physical well-being, but there are a lot of components specific to your joint health. So as you exercise, it can help maintain a healthy weight or lose weight in some cases. It can improve your lean muscle mass. And those are things that can decrease the force on the joint themselves. But also, just being active in general can improve the joint mobility and keep as much of that mobility and function as possible, irrespective of how bad the arthritis is. On top of which, there are some additional benefits to the joint. So when we talk about things like weight training or some sort of a anaerobic exercise or resistance training, that can really help stabilize a joint. So even if you have arthritis and maybe have some limitations in motion or in function, stabilizing that joint can be an important part of improving your overall function. And the last thing I would say is that as you do more on the front end to sort of strengthen it, maintain mobility, improve your overall well-being, that's going to be beneficial down the road if you elect to have a joint replacement. So there's a lot of information about this that we have, and we'll be putting more out there. But as it pertains to exercise, I think overall there's an overwhelmingly positive benefit that we all have.